Hello, my good and wonderful people. Welcome. This is Good Life Television reaching you. I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all depending on when and where you're getting me from. Today is another beautiful day. If today is perhaps the first time you are seeing Good Life Television, you are lucky to be here today. You are lucky to see me. You can click to subscription. When you subscribe, touch the notification bell so you'll be getting updates on my videos. We deal on spiritual and health matters. Today, I want to share with you the different ways you can apply alligator pepper and the things you stand to benefit. 7 powerful ways and you can use alligator pepper and the benefits you will get from it. Let me first of all tell you that alligator pepper is a spirit. It evokes spirits. Alligator pepper is so powerful. That's why you see, like where I am coming from, all the elderly people, you must always see alligator pepper with them. Alligator pepper is so powerful that you cannot overlook it. So I want to share with you how you can be using alligator pepper to help yourself. Number one, let me start from the health benefits. Alligator pepper is very, very powerful cure to low blood pressure. Yes, very powerful. If you have a patient that suffers low blood pressure or you are suffering from low blood pressure, anytime you are feeling dizzy or you're feeling weak or you feel the symptoms, just open alligator pepper, put some seeds and eat. It will bring up your BP, blood pressure immediately. Very, very effective. You don't need to rush to hospital. You don't need to wait till you are being rushed to hospital. Always have alligator pepper with you. So far you are a low BP patient, alligator pepper can help you, sustain you, and cure you permanently. That is number one. Number two is for protection. Alligator pepper helps in protection. How does alligator pepper help you in protection? If you are going out, maybe you're going into occasions or places you feel you are not safe, just get some seeds of alligator pepper. But let me warn, anything that entails spiritual unless health-wise, if you want to open the alligator pepper you are going to use, this is the alligator pepper I'm talking about. If you are going to open it, show it some respect to open it from your bag or like that. Don't look at it, but when you open it, just bring it out and be using it. If you are going for an occasion you think you are not safe, like I said, take some seeds of alligator pepper and put even in your pockets, in your handbags, and add bitter cola. Bitter cola, if you have bitter cola, just put them in your handbags or your pockets around you. You know, the seeds are very, very tiny. When you put it, I tell you, there is no projection, no evil projected against your life in that environment that will work. Nothing, no evil will befall you. No evil will ever befall you with those alligator pepper around you and bitter cola. Don't forget to add bitter cola. It works together with alligator pepper to ensure you are being protected in any environment, in occasions where you feel you are not protected. Then another way you can use it for protection is when you are planning to travel, maybe for accidents, or you know some accidents are just not ordinary. Some are spiritually projected. But before you travel, if you are not traveling on your own car, if you are not traveling on your own vehicle, what you do a night before that travel, take 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put it under your pillow and sleep. Before you sleep, you speak things against that accidents on the road or even where you are going. For those of you that are traveling maybe to your villages and you know your village people are not good, you have to do this before you travel. Use some seeds of alligator pepper, 7 seeds, very significant, 7. Put it under your pillow and sleep. In the morning, pray, finish, and go. It's not that the alligator pepper is protecting you. God is protecting you with the help of that alligator pepper. Very, very important that you don't miss it out. The next one is for business proposal, business increment. You come to your shop, nothing is working, you are not selling, you are not making profit. I tell you, sometimes it may be your neighbor, some people you don't know. The life we live is very, very difficult to understand. But if things like that are happening to you, your business is not progressing, you are not making sales, don't worry, my brother, my sister. Take seeds of alligator pepper, 7 seeds of alligator pepper. In the morning when you come to that your shop, after praying, speak to that alligator pepper that let this alligator pepper help to attract customers from north, from east, from west to south. Just throw it out in the front end. Throw some inside your shop in case there are some powers that are fighting you. Alligator pepper repels evil spirit. Alligator pepper repels witches and wizards. Every evil energy, they dread alligator pepper so much. They fear alligator pepper. That's why you have to be using it in your shop. Alligator pepper, you can use it to curse. If somebody has been offending you, somebody has been doing things that are very bad, but in this case, you have to make sure you are not the cause of that somebody treating you bad. If somebody has been treating you bad and you want to cause the life of that person, in the morning when you wake up, before you brush your teeth, go and get alligator pepper. Pray, finish, speak everything you want. Speak those words you want into that person's life. Chew it and pour it out. I am telling you, that person will never be well again. But this will only work when you are free from evil. Against such a person, you are using the alligator pepper from. It's not when you are hurting people and you are at the same time crying wolf. No. When the person have hurt you so much, you can use alligator pepper to revenge, to speak evil things against that person's life, and it will work 100%. Alligator pepper is very, very important in our life. You can use alligator pepper to do a whole lot of things, and you will be surprised on how it works. So I encourage you to get some alligator pepper around you. If you are a man, if you are a woman, in your house, even in the house where you sleep, sometimes you throw some alligator pepper around. It will help you so much. Alligator pepper is very, very important, and I encourage you to always have it. Use it the right way. But if you are a woman, during your menstrual period, don't use alligator pepper, it will not work. The only thing that neutralizes alligator pepper is women with menstrual period rushing. If you're a man, when your wife is, you want to use this and your wife is in her menstrual period, you have to wait, because if she crosses it, it will not work again. But after that, once you have done it, it will work for you. So if you're a woman, don't use it for spiritual work during your menstrual period. It will not work. I think you are blessed. If you like this video, give this video thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to Good Life Television. Keep following me. Keep watching, and the good Lord will bless you. I have loads of information I will share with you. Till I meet you in my next video. Bye bye and God bless you. Bye.